Good morning, everyone. It's Lindsay from the library. Today we're going to make a fun snowflake craft. So to do this craft, we just need 3 items. First, we'll need 2 pipe cleaners of any color. We will need some beads. Again, any color is fine. And last but not least, we'll need a pair of scissors. So first, parents, let's prep the pipe cleaners for your kids. So first, I'm just going to cut them both in half. So that's what my scissors are for here. Okay, so they're both cut in half. Now we'll actually just need 3 of those pieces, so the extra one can just go aside for another craft. So we're going to make the snowflake first. I'm going to grab 2 pieces, and I'm just going to twist them around each other. So it looks like that so far. And then my third piece, I'm just going to twist around both of those that I just twisted, just to make it look like a snowflake. Here, just like that. And then we can sort of adjust how we want it to look. So if you think your kids are able to do that, by all means, that's great. But you might want to prep this first, depending on ability. So this is a really great craft for fine motor skill practice. We are going to be putting the beads on our snowflake. So there are lots of different ways you can do this. You can encourage counting. So for example, I can ask kids to put 5 beads on my snowflake. So I'll keep counting. So that's so far I've got 1 green one, 2 purple, 3, 4, and 5. So that's one thing you can do. Another thing you can do is encourage patterning. So I didn't do it with that one, but on this one, I would like to create a pattern that goes blue, green, blue, green. So start with my blue, then I'll put a green, then I'll put a blue. So what comes next in my pattern? I've got blue, green, blue. You got it. We'll put a green bead on next, and I'll do one more, blue, and green. We could also encourage kids to see how many they can put on one of these snowflake sections here. So I could fill that up, and then how many are on that section. So I would count together, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay. Other math concepts would be great here as well. Those are just a few ideas. So once we have filled all of our snowflake pieces, we can finish it off. So I'm just going to add a few more to my pattern one to show you what I mean. So you want to leave a little bit at the end. I'm going to leave about this much, maybe about 2 bead lengths. So what we're going to do is fold that end piece in and sort of tuck it back into that top bead, just so our beads don't fall off if we tipped it upside down. So I'm just going to fold and just sort of tuck that right back in there, just like that, okay? And then I would do that with all of the pieces. So once that's done, if you'd like to display what masterpieces you have made, you could also add a little piece of string through that folded pipe cleaner on one side, and then you could hang it from your window. And then you could decorate your house for winter. So we hope you enjoyed making your snowflake craft and decorating the house with it. We'll see you next time.